Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about SmartDraw, especially if you're just starting out. SmartDraw is an amazing tool for creating diagrams, flowcharts, and visual content for a variety of purposes. If you're working on a residential floor plan, mind map, or even an organizational chart, SmartDraw has all the tools you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for SmartDraw, take you through the dashboard overview, and guide you on how to create your first document. Finally, I'll also show you how to integrate SmartDraw with other platforms. So let's dive in and get started. If you are not already familiar with SmartDraw, let me give you a brief overview of what it is. SmartDraw is a diagramming and visualization software that simplifies creating flowcharts, organizational charts, floor plans, and other visual documents. It's ideal for professionals, educators, and anyone who needs high quality visuals for their projects. What makes SmartDraw stand out is its ease of use, integrations with tools like Microsoft Office, and a huge variety of templates that make starting your project very easy. Now let me show you how you can sign up for a SmartDraw account. The sign up process can seem a bit complicated since there's no dedicated sign up button on the homepage, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps. First, go to smartdraw.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Launch App button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to the SmartDraw app. You can start using the app without an account, but having an account gives you better access to saving and managing your work. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Login button. A window will pop up giving you two options: log in with an existing account or create a new one. Since we're setting up a new account, click the sign up option. Now you have two ways you can sign up. You can either use your email address or sign up directly with your Google account. Choose the option that works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate signing up with Google. Once you complete the sign up process, your account will be created and you'll land on the SmartDraw dashboard. Now let's take a look at the SmartDraw dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll notice the vertical menu with options like Home, Documents, Integrations, Import, Favorites, and New Document. Each of these tabs is designed to help you manage and create your projects efficiently. Home tab is your starting. It provides access to recent documents and templates to get you started quickly. Below this, you'll find the Documents tab, which stores all the files you've worked on, making it easy to access and organize your projects. Next is the Integrations tab. Here, you can connect SmartDraw with tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and more. This is particularly useful if you're collaborating with others or need to embed your diagrams into presentations or reports. The Import tab allows you to bring in external files or diagrams from other platforms, making it easy to transition your work to SmartDraw. Favorites is a handy section where you can save frequently used templates or diagrams for quick access. Finally, the New Document tab is where you start creating your diagrams from scratch or using a template. At the bottom of the vertical menu, you'll find Options and Support tabs. These allow you to customize your settings or get help if you run into any issues. The main part of the dashboard displays your recent documents and templates. For example, you'll see templates for flowcharts, residential floor plans, mind maps, and more. Simply click on any template to start your project. That's a quick overview of the SmartDraw dashboard. With everything at your fingertips, you're ready to start creating professional quality diagrams in no time. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let me show you how you can create a new document in SmartDraw. But before that, let's briefly explain what documents mean in SmartDraw. Essentially, documents are the visual representations you create, like flowcharts, organizational charts, or floor plans, which can be saved, edited, and shared for various purposes. To create a new document, click on the New Document tab from the left menu. This action will take you to the Template library, where you can choose a new template. The template library is organized into several categories, allowing you to pick the one that best suits your needs. If you don't find the template you're looking for, simply use the search bar at the top of the template library and type the name of the template you want. Once it appears, click on it to proceed. For this tutorial, we'll go with the third category, org charts. Once you open this category, you'll see several types of organizational chart. Let's go with the second option, which is org chart 2 level. Simply click on it to proceed. This will open the SmartDraw editor in a new tab where you can start working on your template. Once the template is loaded, you can start customizing it. The SmartDraw editor provides a comprehensive interface for tailoring your document. The editor is similar to the Microsoft document interface. At the top, you have different sections like File, Home, Design, line, page, table, options, and support, making it easy to navigate and find the tools you need. The default section is Home. This means as soon as your template loads, you will land on this section. The first step to customize your template is to give it a title. Just navigate to the top right side and add a title. The default title is Untitled Document, but you can replace it with a title of your choice to better reflect the purpose of your document. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Tools panel, where you can pick a tool to add, modify, or remove elements from your diagram. The flexibility of the editor allows you to create exactly what you envision. For instance, if you want to add shapes to your organizational chart, you can use the Add Shapes section in the Tools panel. Here, you'll find options to add elements to the left, right, top, or bottom of an existing shape. You can also use the Employee Properties section to add assistants, co-managers, or pictures, making your chart more detailed and visually appealing. The Org Chart Layout section lets you adjust the layout by changing the chart direction or branch style. For instance, you can choose between vertical and horizontal layouts, or modify the spacing between elements to make your chart more organized. To further customize your template, you can use the formatting options available in the top menu. These include styles, themes, line style, and effects. You can change the color, font, or even add visual effects to make your document stand out. Once you're satisfied with the customization, don't forget to save your doc by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. You can also export in various formats, such as PDF or PNG, using the Export button. That's how you create and customize your first document in SmartDraw. With its intuitive tools and features, you'll find it easy to create professional quality visuals in no time. Lastly, let me show you how to integrate SmartDraw with other platforms. To start, click on the Integration tab in the left menu. This will open a new section where you can choose the type of integration you need. You can integrate SmartDraw with apps, visualizers, or storage platforms. For example, if you want to integrate it with a storage platform, click on the Storage option. This will take you to a page displaying all available storage apps like OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box. Let's say you want to integrate SmartDraw with Google Drive. Simply click on the Connect Google Drive Storage option under Google Drive. This action will redirect you to a new tab where you can select your email account. Once you've chosen your email, follow the on-screen prompts to provide the necessary authorization. After completing this step, SmartDraw will successfully link to your Google Drive. You'll now be able to access all your Google Drive files directly within SmartDraw, making it much easier to work on and manage your documents seamlessly. SmartDraw is a diagramming and visualization software that simplifies creating flowcharts, organizational charts, floor plans, and other visual documents. It's ideal for professionals, educators, and anyone who needs high-quality visuals for their projects. What makes SmartDraw stand out is its ease of use, integrations with tools like Microsoft Office, and a huge variety of templates that make starting your project very easy. That's it for this tutorial. Today we covered how to sign up for SmartDraw, explored its dashboard, created and customized your first document, and even learned how to integrate it with other platforms. I hope this guide made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.